When people talk about leaving America for a better life, Dubai is often one of the first names that comes up. A desert city that rose from the sand into a skyline of glass and gold towers. A place where the phrase tax-free isn't a fantasy, but a daily reality. For anyone burned out by endless bills and politics back home, Dubai looks like the future made real. Smooth highways, spotless malls, luxury cars, and a promise of opportunity for those who work hard and play it smart. But let's slow down and look past the shine for a moment. Because Dubai isn't paradise for everyone, and knowing that is what helps you survive here. First, the good news. There's no income tax. That alone makes Dubai worth looking at. You earn it, you keep it. And that draws in people from everywhere. Engineers, teachers, digital nomads, nurses, construction workers. You'll meet people from over 200 nationalities before you finish your first week here. The infrastructure is modern and efficient. Public transport is clean. The airport is one of the busiest in the world, but somehow feels organized. And yes, there's air conditioning everywhere, even at some bus stops. Safety is another major draw. Dubai is one of the safest cities on earth. Crime rates are remarkably low, and walking alone at night feels different here. People actually leave their laptops in coffee shops and come back later to find them untouched. That sense of security is rare, and for many, it's priceless. But, like any dream destination, there's another side. You don't have citizenship rights. You don't vote, and you can't easily become a permanent resident. You're here on a visa, and that visa is tied to your job. Lose it, and your time in Dubai can end quickly. Working conditions can also vary. If you're in tech, finance, or education, you might live very comfortably. But there's a huge divide. The people who build the city often live in worker camps far outside the glittering skyline. That's a reality too often edited out of travel vlogs. Cultural adaptation is another layer. Dubai is officially Islamic and deeply values respect. That means dressing modestly in many public spaces, avoiding public displays of affection, and understanding that some Western habits don't fit here. It's not oppression, it's context. And understanding context is key to living abroad anywhere. Then there's the cost of living. Yes, there's no income tax, but rent can be steep, especially near downtown or the marina. Imported groceries add up fast. So while you might keep more of your paycheck, you'll still need to plan carefully to make it work. The flip side is opportunity. Dubai rewards ambition. It's a place where ideas move fast and money follows them. If you've ever wanted to build something new, there's energy here. Like the whole city is still under construction, both literally and spiritually. Many expats say Dubai is like a testing ground. If you can adapt here to the mix of heat, culture, and hustle, you can probably handle living anywhere in the world. There's also a psychological effect. Leaving America for Dubai isn't just about geography. It's about rewiring what you think normal life should be. It's realizing that clean streets, safety, and efficiency are not utopian ideas. They exist, just not necessarily at home. But it's not all skyscrapers and brunches. Dubai has seasons that test you, especially the summer. Temperatures can soar over 110 degrees. It's not for the faint of heart. You move from one air-conditioned bubble to another, and outdoor life slows almost to a stop. Yet, in the winter months, the city transforms. Outdoor cafes open up, beaches fill, and the same skyline that looks sterile in July becomes a living postcard by December. So, who really thrives here? People who are flexible. People who adapt without expecting things to feel like home. People who can separate comfort from freedom and know which one they value more. Dubai won't hug you, but it will reward you. If you're focused, professional, and willing to live by its rules, you can live well here. You'll learn to think globally, not nationally. You'll see what a modern city looks like when it's built for efficiency instead of nostalgia. And for many Americans, that alone is worth the trip. Because Dubai represents something we've lost. The idea that a city can plan for the future, not just fight over the past. In the end, whether you stay for a year or a lifetime, Dubai changes you. It stretches your definition of what's possible. And even if you decide to move on, you'll carry that new sense of scale and ambition wherever you go. If you're considering leaving America, don't just look for comfort. Look for growth. And Dubai, for all its contradictions, offers both.